Oh yeah. She's just barely sitting out of her grave right now. Damn, look at that. Look at that girl. Woo! She's back. We need a lot of love, but we got everything we possibly could need. I'm not sure who put that there, but it's one of three that we're trying to fix up here. Dad's been having these things sit for shit longer than I've been alive now, so it's all ours. Got some more down over there, some 94s, 98s over there. Truck. Our rear end right there. We got too much. I don't know whose idea was to put this tower right here above the shop, but it's all good. There's the Falcon.
Yeah, this is a straight car. This is a track car, right?
It's a track car. There's the baby. There's the other baby. It's 3 out of 3 right here. Dodge Little Red Express. It's a one of a kind. It didn't come in tow truck, but Dad made it. Well, I guess Dad didn't actually make it. His buddy made it, but Dad bought it. We're gonna fix it.